Hi everyone, I'm back with another harvest episode of tomatoes, eggplants, zucchini, sorrel leaves, and hot peppers, and also some chard. Tomato plants are doing great by bearing lot of fruit as you see here. In my experience, volunteer plants performing so good compared to plants I bought from store. These two plants holding more than 100 tomatoes each and also in good size. This is our eggplant after the recent pruning. I'm showing here the next round of eggplants we have. This is how they look like when they are small. I'm going to harvest them in a week to make curry before they go huge. I'm harvesting tomatoes early because we have gophers, skunks, squirrels and other critters. So I would like to take them before they habituate eating them. Look how healthy and fresh these tomatoes are. Now zucchini. This is our first zucchini to harvest. This seems not pollinated but in good size with funny shape. I'll see if this is good to eat or throw it in compost. These plants are shaded with sunflowers, so growing slowly. Once all these plants started producing, we will have a lot of zucchini to harvest. I will give them to Alan, my friend who love these green veggies. These are easy to grow from seed vegetable and can be replanted very well. You can see male and female flowers this plant loaded with. This is Phoenix tomato determinate plant which is almost done its life. We'll pull the whole plant after harvesting remaining tomatoes. I'm happy for this plant produced 25 to 30 good sized tomatoes without having any diseases. All these tomatoes are very good in size with lot of flesh and less seeds. I'm now harvesting Better Boy tomatoes. This is our eggplant prior to pruning. This was very bushy with thick growth of big leaves and stems. I have cut few stems and leaves. We have one eggplant left from previous harvest which is overgrowing. So I'm harvesting it now. This is how the harvest look like with some berries added. Another harvest of sorrel leaves and green chilies. These are growing healthy with no pests and diseases so far. One batch is growing in a container with lot of kitchen waste buried. This is chili de arbol hot pepper variety. It's really spicy and tasty. This is one vegetable I harvest every single day. We have multiple plants and different varieties of hot chilies growing in our garden. I love sorrel leaves chutney with spicy green chilies and garlic. I am able to make it once every week. These are Better Boy indeterminate variety again. These stopped producing new fruit for some reason. I have 3 plants for this variety and all of them having the same behavior. I am waiting for them to produce another round of tomatoes. I have pruned all leaves from this Phoenix tomato plant because it got powdery mildew. I don't want that affect plants living beside. And this plant is anyway going to be pulled after another harvest. If you are wondering about the fertilizer, I occasionally give them fish fertilizer or all-purpose fertilizer because they are in ground and did not see the necessity because all plants growing healthy and producing as much as they should. You can also do the same. Observe the growth and production. Unless they are pale or stopped producing any harvest, then you need to think about fertilizing them. That's all to cover for this episode, friends. Hope you enjoy fresh harvest. Start growing your own food, probably with tomatoes. They are easy to grow and give abundant harvest. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos. I will see you next time.